Hello, everyone, I'm Keanu. This is a mining container made by our factory. 1.3 megawatts capacity design, S19 size machine can be placed 320 units. The air inlet side is using 6 adjustable louvers, and then with filter cotton. The outlet side is equipped with 18 high-speed negative pressure fans. The total air volume in 301,344 CFM. The negative pressure fans will be installed in the mining container when transported to the destination. The most important feature of this mining container is its internal structure. To show you, its both hot air area or cold air area are very spacious. Hot air area width of about 50 centimeters, its cold area part. It is also very spacious, at about 1 meter too. Then the top is the tray for the switch and the network cable, and the side is the frame for the filtering cotton. Our design allows for very easy installation and removal. Of course, I also have the pleated filter design option, sliding installation. This is the governor for our fans. One governor can control 2 fans for fan speed adjustment, and automatic speed adjustment according to the temperature you set. His temperature control cable is here. Customers can put it themselves where they want to monitor the temperature when they arrive. The above tray is equipped with 18 sockets, and the network cables are all laid out, and each one will be labeled for easy management. In total, there are 35 PDUs, each with 12 sockets, each with the capacity to safely carry 3.5 kilowatts to accommodate future high-power mining machines.